Welcome to Cisco Academy, where we unlock the power of networking, cybersecurity, and programming. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, we have courses tailored to your needs. Our first course, Introduction to Networking, CCNA V7, is where your journey begins. You'll delve into the fundamentals of networking, from understanding network models to configuring routers and switches. Get ready to develop a strong foundation that will set you on the path to success. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to take your skills to the next level with our switching, routing, and wireless essentials course. Here, you'll learn advanced concepts and techniques for building and managing complex networks. From VLANs to wireless networks, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tackle real-world networking challenges. To thrive in today's enterprise landscape, you need to have expertise in enterprise networking, security, and automation. This course is highly recommended for those seeking job opportunities in large enterprise companies, including service providers. You'll learn about network security protocols, threat mitigation strategies, and automation tools that streamline network management. Whether you prefer online or offline learning, we have options that suit your schedule. To find out more about our courses, enrollment, and registration fee, contact us at 0345906544. Take the first step towards a rewarding career in networking with Cisco Academy.